Hey, welcome to Tarmac. I'm Dave.
I'm Matthew, and today we've got the new Range Rover Velar inspired Evoque.
Yep, so the baby of the bunch, but the very, very capable baby of the bunch. Come and have a look around this one. So the new Range Rover Evoque. It's taking three of Range Rover or Land Rover's prime products, the Velar, the Evoque, and also the Land Rover Range Rover itself, and combined into this beautiful coupe styling Evoque. New face, some bronze and copper styling from the Velar. Matrix headlights, Soul Pearl silver bodywork with Nolita grey. You'll notice down the side the shoulder line comes up to meet the decreasing roof line. 21-inch feet, so smoother lines even with retractable door handles. Around the back, class-leading boot space, and an 18-inch space saver. Easy for me to say. These running plates actually have the first edition written on them, just there. These door frame alerts are cool as well. They flash when you're about to open the door to make sure that you don't hit any passing cyclists or anything on the way. It's a really cool idea. Under the bonnet is a very familiar 2-litre turbo Ingenium engine. It's 349 newton meters and 250 PS, which is 184 kilowatts. It's quite peppy actually. 0 to 100 is around about 7 seconds, and it will do 240 or 230 odd top speed.
Right, so this interior, it's frankly as Range Rover as one could get. There's perforated leather everywhere you touch. This entire dashboard is leather and it's extremely soft. You've got this sport shift gear selector as seen in the sportier cars in the range of Jaguar and Land Rover. And then if I turn this on, you'll get to see the screen will tilt out towards me, so I can see everything clearly no matter the glare or what have you. And it's got connection for your phone, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay now comes as standard. The radio, it's got satellite navigation built in. Everything you need is up here really. And then this second screen here controls the air conditioning, so if I push that in I can change the temperature, and if I push it again I can have my seat heated or not. It's a rather cold day here in Auckland, so might want to turn up the heat. This is the first edition, so you get bronze highlight first edition graphics here and this kind of silvery Land Rover plate. There's a perfect space for your phone over here, and if you take it off it'll reveal 2 cup holders. How about that? Dual armrests here, so 1, 2, and you've got 2 charging ports there, micro SIM and a cigarette lighter as well. There's a panoramic sunroof that is tinted, and there's a shade for it as well, so you can't get sunburned while you're in the car. And this is the neat party trick of this Range Rover Evoque. So if you've got some pesky passenger blocking your rear view in this mirror, flick this switch here and there you go. The camera will show you a view out of your rear view window without anything blocking your view, frankly. How about that?
The instrument cluster is totally personalizable as well, so at the simple touch here with your thumb you can duck in and change everything from driver assistances to media to vehicle information, and you can even change the display, so go 1 dial, 2 dial, full map. There you go. So adjust to your heart's content. Of course, much of the traction and off-road and driving modes are done automatically, because why would you want to do it yourself? But if you do want to do it yourself, a simple touch of the vehicle button gives you everything from dynamic to eco to comfort, 2 grass gravel, some mud road program, and also sand. The other thing that's on this area is that pesky on-off button for the start-stop. That's where it's found. That's where you use it.
So this new Evoque, the wheelbase has been extended by 20 millimeters. Now, while that doesn't sound like much, it gives the Evoque a slightly larger feel in general. This newer one just feels a bit more spacious inside, and it's got best-in-class boot space.
But that's what's funny, it's also nimble as well. So the added wheelbase, the added size, it's not difficult to negotiate around even the tightest of turns.
It's got Jaguar Land Rover's 2-liter turbocharged engine in the front, and while it can be set up to be a bit rowdy, this one isn't rowdy. It's refined and it gives you a very subtle exhaust note, but it's got enough of power to take this leather-wrapped Range Rover around town.
Evoque is obviously the baby of the Land Rover Range Rover family, but don't think it's not at all capable. This thing has a wading depth of 600 millimeters. It's got off-road capabilities, downhill, uphill. It's got the best-in-class departure angle at 30.6 degrees. This thing will go anywhere you want to take it, but in reality it's going to get taken around the housing estates and urban environments.
I mean, that's the trick really. Don't be fooled by its small size and its Range Rover badge, because not only is it really capable off-road, it's also really comfortable and really upmarket inside here.
Yeah, the leather is really refined. It really does feel beautiful in here, and quite rightly, this is a beautiful car. I mean, it's been designed well. The coupe styling is lovely. The ride itself is just stunning. It's very smooth, very comfortable. So there you have it, the all-new Range Rover Evoque. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.